Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and today's recipe is going to be Pecan Encrusted grouper with a Meuniere sauce. I just want to give a good shout out to my good friend Cherie McCuris for doing the beautiful embroidery on our aprons that says the Sanders Kitchen. I'm so excited to use them today, and we'll be using them from now on. Thank you, Cherie. You did a wonderful job. Mwah, mwah. The first thing we'll do is get started by making the marinade. It's really simple. We're going to go in with 3 tablespoons of Dejon mustard. All of these items are going to be in the description, so don't let it scare you. We're going to put in a cup of half and half. About a tablespoon of minced garlic. And you know, I got to have my blackened seasoning. So just put a little bit in there. And we'll mix it around. And this is going to go on the side until we're ready to use it. We're just going to let all of these ingredients marry together until we're ready to dip the fish in it. Let's go ahead and make the topping for the grouper. So we're going to go in with our pecans, our Italian breadcrumbs, and we're just going to pulse it. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, see, we want to make sure that some of the pecans are still a little crunchy. That's what I was hoping for. So let me just go 2 more times. Okay, very good. So now this will all come out. This topping will come out. And it's going to be in this pan. So when we get ready to fry the fish, we're going to do the 3 steps. We're going to season it, and then we'll do the flour, this marinade we made, and then the pecan encrusting. It's going to be great. All right, so next we'll put on our blackened seasoning on our grouper, a little bit on each side. And the next step is go right into the flour. We want that flour to give it a good coating. And we want to shake that off so we can go into the marinade. Now the marinade doesn't necessarily, you don't have to soak the fish in it for a long time. But you definitely want to make sure that the marinade has covered the fish and let it drip just a little bit. And then go into the pecan mix. And I'm just going to push down on it a little bit. And then with a dry hand, I'll flip it like that. You got to work it in there. Make sure that fish is totally coated. And here we go. That's our first piece right there. And we'll do the second piece the exact same way. Well, we're ready to fry the fish. I'm going to put in about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. Ooh, I let my butter stay out and it got nice and soft. I got it all over my finger. But I also need a little bit of this grapeseed oil too. And if I need more, I'll just add some more. Okay, let's get the fish in there. Oh, they look so pretty. I'm gonna fry both of these babies together. Ooh, that's some big pieces of grouper, I'm telling you. And that butter smells so good. We want that crust to form together on the other side of the fish, on the bottom side. And we're not going to keep flipping it and turning it around. Just one flip, and that's all there is to it. So we're going to let it cook for a couple of minutes before we flip it. Maybe a minute, I don't know. You know, I'll just play it by ear. And when it's brown, we'll flip it over. So give me a minute. Well, we just flipped the fish over, and they are beautiful. The color is just how I would like it. But you know, we still have to make that Meuniere sauce, so I'm going to cut the fire off. And let me just take a little peek real quick. Oh yeah, that's looking good. So now we're just going to put this fish in the oven. And it'll finish up in about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to clean up a little bit and we're going to make the Meuniere sauce. Okay, well, we're getting ready to make the Meuniere sauce. And the first thing I'm going to do is put in my white wine and about 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to add in, I have a little list of everything. It'll all be in the description, though, don't worry. So I need about 2 tablespoons of some fresh lemon juice. Oh man, that's going to be good. You know, this isn't a traditional Meuniere sauce. This is a Cajun Meuniere sauce. That's what this is. So we're going to get this up to a boil. Let the butter melt, and we're going to reduce it a little bit. So just keep on watching. It'll happen. It's going to be a beautiful sauce. A few little dashes of Lee and Perrin. Wow, some Blackened seasoning. Ooh, that stuff is potent. And about a 1/4 teaspoon. This is a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to just go about half. Ooh. Okay, that's half of a teaspoon. That's all I need. This is a browning sauce. Because, you know, I'm Cajun. I like my sauce brown. Or darker than usual. Look at that, how pretty. So I just want to cream it up a little bit. About like that. Man, that's looking good. I think it looks great. Now we're going to throw in some green onion tops. Some fresh cut parsley. We're going to turn the fire off, and our Meuniere sauce is done. And there it is. Let's go get the fish out of the oven and serve it up. Well, the fish is out of the oven. It's cooked perfectly. And I'm telling you, I can't wait to dig into this. Look how beautiful those encrusted grouper fillets are. They are gorgeous. And you know, we had to use our wild rice. Oh my God, wild rice is so good. I knew it was going to be a good compliment to the fish. So let's go ahead and put on our sauce. So we have the sauce right here. With the parsley. Let me turn that off. Well, I have to admit, I cannot wait to dig into this. The Pecan Encrusted grouper with the Meuniere sauce, it's smelling so good. I cannot wait to dig into this. Let's see what happens. Mmm. 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 This pecan encrusted grouper was probably the best fish dinner I ever had. Oh my God. If you don't get in the kitchen and try this, stop cooking. It is that good. So I'm going to go ahead and warm this back up. Pam and I are going to have dinner. It's great having you back in the Sanders kitchen. And again, thank you, Cherie, for our beautiful aprons. Pam will be wearing her soon. If you like our videos, please subscribe and ring the bell. Our goal is to come out with 2 videos every week, Wednesday and Saturday, but definitely on Saturday. Thank you for subscribing. Hey, we love you guys, and enjoy your fish dinner whenever you cook it. Comment, let us know how it comes out. And as always, we love you and God bless you.